humidity 52%, density altitude missing. Condensation altitude 4,800.
Wow, overshot that big time.
Sure did.
South Jersey traffic, Mooney 22184. We are 9 miles to the east, inbound landing runway 26 straight in.
Brookhaven traffic, runway 84, informing of the RNAV 33 will be called for to join the left downwind 24 Brookhaven.
If you went for a check ride, what do you think the examiner would think?
Try again next time.
All right, go around.
Am I overflying the field? Or
Overfly, yep. The winds are gusting to 18. You're not on center line.
Did you get some need or what?
Negative.
Full power.
Flying W, there's a Skylane on a 45, runway 1, Flying W.
Now you can get an idea what the winds are doing over the runway. Always go around. Don't try to make that runway. It's an unstable approach already.
Traffic, Cessna 335 is 5 to the east, inbound for landing 24 Lakewood.
Lakewood traffic, Archer Juliet Alpha is going around runway 24. Lakewood.
Yeah, totally blowing us to the left.
Yep. All right, adjusted on the downwind.
Brookhaven traffic, runway 84 from 4 miles to the south on the RNAV 33 will break off.
Never chase a runway. Just stay on the left side of it. That way you can check for departing traffic. Go around, get yourself reset up. On the go around, it's always full power, flaps 25. If they're at 25, leave them at 25, pitch for VX, climb out, safe altitude, safe airspeed, then start cleaning it up. But you gotta get that power in there full immediately.
Right base, runway 1, Flying W.
Lakewood advisory onlyest airport. VFR automated weather advisory. Wind 280 at 7, gust 14. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 1.
280 at 7, that's 4 over 6. 2/3 or 14. 4.5 knots crosswind component.
Condensation altitude 4,800.
I think. I get that wrong.
Coming around in a long final
Oh,
runway 1.
I was way off.
W.
9 knot crosswind component. 4 divided by 6 times 14. 9.3.
Lakewood traffic, Archer Juliet Alpha is right midfield, downwind runway 24, Lakewood.
All right, so you know what the winds are doing to you.
Pull me towards.
Very good, and you got a Skylane on final at the W for 1.
From the field, flying over the field at 1500, joining left downwind runway 24 full stop.
Doesn't matter, your landing lights are gonna.
Brookhaven traffic, runway 84, uniform is joining left downwind runway 24, Brookhaven.
There's the Skyhawk.
Where is it?
Got him?
Yeah, over the A pillar before.
South Jersey, 2284,
What's he doing?
I have no idea.
So we're 9 to the Papa, we're going to be coming around to enter the 45 for left 22.
He said he was inbound landing Lakewood.
Left downwind for 22. Skylane's on a short final, 1, Flying W.
Good traffic, Turkey.
Cross Keys, Lake Skyhawk is about 2-3 miles to the south inbound for left downwind, 27, Cross Keys.
David, full stop.
So we're 9 to the Papa.
Don't keep flying towards the guy if you see that he's in your way.
No.
We'll keep an eye out for you.
Lakewood traffic, Archer 41 Juliet Alpha is on right base. Runway 24.
Traffic, Skylane will be number.
That's why I overfly midfield 1,000 feet above the traffic pattern. Teardrop, join the 45 downwind on an angle.
Silberg 9 Alpha on the 45 for runway 22, got departing traffic inside Silberg.
At landing traffic at Solberg, you're going to have some view on final. On the left downwind.
Looks pretty out there, thank you.
That's a pretty big sun.
Yeah, Solberg traffic, got a white Skyhawk, we're going to turn left crosswind for 22 at Solberg.
Lakewood traffic, Archer 41 Juliet Alpha is on final, runway 24, Lakewood.
Papa turning left downwind, runway 22.
Alright, so we're going to use those winds to our advantage. We're going to keep that that crab in, let the winds help us. Capture that glide slope.
Lakewood traffic, Cessna 335 is on 45 for right, downwind 24 Lakewood.
And Philbrook traffic and a white Skyhawk entering left downwind, and we're going to depart to the east at Philbrook.
A little bit of power, yep. Let's start getting that center line a little bit more to the right. I'll help you on the controls a little bit. Let's get more to the right. There you go, that's our crab angle, a little bit more. Now let's start going with the slip. So now you're going to get the nose to the left side, right wing down. A little bit of left rudder, get the right wing down for the crosswind. There you go, just hold it right there.
Lakewood traffic, Cessna 335 downwind 24 Lakewood.
Take the second one. When you land with the winds, wherever the winds are coming from, that wing's got to be down, that aileron's got to be down pretty good. And the rudder is going to help keep the nose lined up with the center line. I think we might be able to do one more. Yeah, we could do another. Get a good crosswind practice in.
Lakewood traffic, Cessna turning base 24 Lakewood.
Looks like you got a pretty solid, I would say moderate right crosswind. It's not too bad.
Thanks.
That's what a 9-knot crosswind component feels like. The other method is to crab it, and as soon as you go over the runway, kick the rudder over, drop the wing, but I think that's just a little too aggressive and it kind of hurts the airplane. I don't really like to teach that. You're basically just really jamming that rudder in and cranking that aileron over. As soon as you touch down, you're basically just planting the airplane down. But I think it's a little rough. See what this guy does. Chop down the RPM, just let it slow down on its own. Less distraction for him on final. He shouldn't really be distracted at night time, but strobe lights at night, especially dark, is a distraction for the other pilot. And the landing lights also could kind of fake them out, making them think that you're on the runway.
Grabbing.
Yeah.
Floaty.
Oh, floaty.
Remember those days in the 172? They like to float.
You got it. All right. Let's do it.
Take off. No flaps on this one?
No, regular takeoff.
Best power, carb heat is off, fuel pump is on. Lights are back on. Off. Bonder's good. Doors and windows closed. Landing light is on. Strobes are on. Brakes. Goes, he's clear.
All right, let's go.
Final. Lakewood traffic, Archer 41 Juliet Alpha is departing runway 24. Staying in the pattern. Airspeed's alive.
There you go, don't let those winds push you off.
And rotate.
Got a cotton candy sky today.
No, we do.
Just a touch of right, there you go. Good job correcting for the upwind. Winds, but they're pushing you right on center line. Nice job. Looks like you know what you're doing.
I'm still on the right rudder. Still got to give it a little bit of pressure no matter
A
what.
little bit less correction there. We're starting to drift a little bit to the right of center line. Probably like a 250, 255 heading. This is working.
I'm turning crosswind.
Liquid traffic, Archer 41, Juliet Alpha is turning right crosswind, runway 24, liquid.
I don't know if that helps, but
Sometimes, yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous sky.
yeah, it is. I feel like we're already starting.